Hey everybody, this is Northwell Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how you can get your tax documents from Cash App. So in order to do that, open the Cash App. And once the Cash App is open, at the very top right corner of the screen, you will see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. And once you tap on the profile icon, you will see a screen like this. And at the very bottom, you will see a Documents icon. Go ahead and tap on the icon which says Documents. And on the screen, you will see two categories. One is stocks and Bitcoin. So if you have only traded on stocks, you can tap on stocks. Or if you have traded on Bitcoin, you can tap on Bitcoin. So in my case, I have only traded on stocks. So I'm going to tap on stocks. And now you will see document type. And here you will see two options, tax documents and monthly statements. So in this case, if you would like to access the tax documents, tap on the option which says tax documents. Alright, so that's how you get your tax documents from Cash App. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northwelltech.com for great tech articles.